Alright you guys, it's your girl, it's Laura, and I call myself the Miracle Maker, but I'm calling myself the Miracle Maker for a different reason. Why? Because you see, I have a tool in my hand, and I'm about to be Laura the mechanic, because I'm going to go ahead and replace my backlights. This, not the lights. Because I know you guys are like, Laura, does it take a whole socket wrench to replace a light? No, this is what we're doing, you guys. We are literally replacing the entire light. So I'm going to do this in segments. We're not going to take up all the time to go ahead and record all the different things with everything, but I want to go ahead and share why I decided to go ahead and replace this myself. So I went to my mechanic and I was like, okay, my backlights don't work. I don't know why I haven't done a recall on it. Oh, let me show you what's going on. All right. Oh, by the way, my cameraman is my amazing daughter, Miracle. Come here, Larry. So, get in there. Get all the way in there. So you see, the light bulb doesn't fit in the hole anymore. And if you notice, because it burned it all out. Why? They don't think this is a recall and a safety hazard, but it did. So all this is burned away, and now I have to replace it. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and get started. But let me tell you how much they want to charge me. So first, of course, they had to pay the $100 just so they can go ahead and diagnose my car. So that way they can tell me exactly what's wrong with it. I mean, I can tell that part. But you know, they want to look and see what other problems they can find. But the good news is the $100 will go towards the work that I decided to get them to do. If I don't have them do any work, I just lost $100. Okay, cool. I do need these replaced. So how much does this cost? So I did have them prices back in 2018. So they wouldn't give me the 2020 price, only the 2018 price. So he says, I'm looking at about $250 to $300 each. So I'm okay, that's about $500, $600 that I have to spend for the kits. Got it, cool. That's not too bad. I'm not doing the work. All right, he says, and it's $75 an hour for the labor. And we estimate about an hour and a half, 2 hours long. So that's about $100, $150 added on top of the $600. But I get the $100 off of that I've already paid. So okay, we're looking at about $800 to probably $1,000. And he was like, well, it'll probably be around $1,200 because that was 2018 prices. Because we gotta, you know, think about, I guess, price changing and increasing. So I was like, oh. So of course, what does every woman do? I need to talk to the other half. I just hid my hand because I don't have another half. But I walked out. I said, thank you, no thanks. Went on to one of our favorite sites, and I decided to go ahead and just order the parts. Each part was about $50, $60. One was $55, the other was $60. Ordered that. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and get started. So we're going to take a little pause here while I go ahead and put this lovely little tool together, because I have right now a socket wrench. All right. Okay, so I know this first part is we have to, of course, unhook the thingy from the thingy. And we gotta take the tools.
Mom, you suck at this.
Hmm? What? No, it's coming off. Look. There's one. Put that in that little pocket there.
Don't lose it.
That's why I put it in the pocket. There's two.
You don't even need the wrench.
Oh, no, I already loosened that one. Yeah, you missed that one. Oh. There's three. The third one is tough because it's hidden behind all this lace little wrap and stuff. I'm afraid I'm going to drop it. Don't drop it.
Should we get the screws off for it?
And all the screws. I said there was only 3. It's not recording. Screws off. There were 4 screws right here. We put them in this nice little safe little pocket right here. And the simple part should be just pushing it out. So let's see. Look at that. Simple. We got it off. All right. Let me go ahead and grab the other one. Shall return again. Go. Okay. So we got it out of the box that was over there. Come look at the nice little hole. Yeah. So I see that there's a groovy thingy here. It looks like we need to line it up with this groovy thingy there. So we are going to line it up together.
You should take off that black thing. It doesn't need to be there.
Black thingy is going to be there.
No, that does not need to be there.
I think it does.
It doesn't. Watch, it's going to be in the way.
That looks like it fits.
Because it's terrible.
And we got 3 screws.
Why are you saying it like that?
And we got 4.
Good job. 4 screws. Is that a weird voice?
Make sure because it was 4.
Where is the dog?
Did they run away?
I hear tea, so it's fine.
Alright, we're gonna come back while I finish screwing all these in, okay?
I don't want to set the world on fire. I just want to start a flame in your heart. In my heart, you have put one desire, and that one is you. No other will do. I lost my ambition for worldlier flames. I just wanna be the one you love, and with your admission, then you'll be the same. I just want to be with me. I don't want to set the world on fire. I just want to start a flame in your heart. I don't want to start a flame in your heart, baby. I don't want to set the world on fire, baby. I just have one desire. And that's putting a big old flame inside your heart. It's up to you. I lost my admission. I just want to be the one you love. And with your admission that you'll feel the same. I told you. I just wanna be with you, believe me. I don't want to set the world on fire. I just want to start a flame in your heart.
Okay, so we got it in. So we're gonna check and see. Let's see, all the screws are back in place. Everything's good. We're gonna plug the little thingy inside the thingy. Yes, I don't know the thingy's names. And we are going to go turn it on. So Miracle, I'm gonna have you put it on right here.
What was that voice?
Let me know if the lights come on.
Don't hit him. It's your fault. I see light. You might want to get a different... Oh, I see the blinker.
I mean, it's bright, so...
Yeah, I see blinker. You might need to change the light bulb, though, but I see everything. Oh, wait. I don't even know if it's on. I can't see with this daylight.
The thing is, you're not going to be able to see the whole light because it's on. It's bright outside is what I'm saying.
Yeah, it's bright. That's why I said I can't see it. I can see. I can see. I can see with the sunglasses on. Don't come after me.
You're the one saying the light. It looks like it's low.
I can see it's on, but it's bright time. It's day.
Okay. Anyway, so we got the light on. Now we got one more to do. That is out. Oh, let's show the difference in two.
No. This one's on.
So that one's on.
This one is like on, but not.
Is on, but remember why?
It's melty.
So we got, yeah, it's kind of.
What the?
I put aluminum foil. I was scared.
What ghetto behind things is this?
Okay, so as you see, we got it on. The light is working compared to this side here. You can see the light is in there, but remember, because we have the light bulb just hanging. Go ahead in there. And see, it's just hanging, just to give it some light. So now we're going to replace the passenger side. So stay tuned. I may show all of that. I don't know. But we're going to take a little pop break. All right.